This video will give you a general overview of blended learning. You will learn what blended learning is, why you should use it, and how you can implement it. There is a lecture where the slides are published online beforehand, along with some tutorials and additional independent studies. At the University of St. Gallen, the majority of compulsory courses is structured the same way. Interaction between you and us mainly takes place in the classroom. This structure may cause some problems for both sides. For many students, classical lectures do not provide enough additional value, because we can learn the subject more efficiently and retain information better when learning it through self-study. During lectures, knowledge is presented to us in a kind of old-fashioned way where the teacher is delivering knowledge in front of the class. However, this teaching style does not match all students' learning style preferences. The result is often demotivation. What worsens the situation is that it is hard for you to control whether everybody of us has understood the information that was presented in a crowded lecture hall during 90 minutes. During tutorials, we take a passive role, often because we have knowledge gaps and lack of learning control. Additionally, there is little time for exchange among us students during tutorials. However, this might help to fill our knowledge gaps. Consequently, we start the exam preparation by learning information by heart, without really understanding the concepts behind it. This way we can pass the exam and afterwards forget the information again, without having achieved any sustainable learning result. You as a lecturer face the challenge of keeping students attentive during the whole lecture for teaching a content where we are faced by various sources of distraction such as laptops. In lectures for compulsory courses, there are too many people to organize the lecture interactively and to check the understanding and attention of everyone. As a tutor in practice sessions, you're extremely pressed for time and do not know what kind of topics are causing problems for us, and therefore you do not know where to put emphasis on. As a result, you present general and prefabricated solutions. Initially, you may be anxious about implementing elements of blended learning into your courses. Additionally, you might be lacking knowledge about alternative teaching methods, or the framework conditions for enabling them are not yet developed. But it may be motivating to know that described problems that exist from students' and lecturers' perspectives can be solved by implementing blended learning.